Preserving the summer's bounty for the winter's meals is one of my most favorite activities, and today I would like to share with you the easiest way to preserve cabbage. So when I get an overabundance of cabbage or cabbage heads that are split, I preserve them for the winter time. And the easiest way to preserve cabbage is to just pop it in the freezer. So it's important though to blanch it first so it will stop the ripening. So to do this, I cut the cabbage up into really thin strips, and then I boil them in water until they turn translucent. Then I scoop the cabbage out of the water and I put it in a bowl of cold water to stop the cooking, and I use the sink for this. And after the cabbage has cooled off, I drain the water out, and then I bag the cabbage strips into freezer bags, label them, and then place them in the freezer. Now I do this just one layer thick with the bags on the shelf so that they freeze really fast and are flat. And then once frozen, you can just stack them up in the freezer. Now the frozen cabbage can be used for stir fries. You can eat it alone with butter, or it can put in casseroles, and it makes really good spaghetti noodles. So I love having cabbage year-round, and this is a great way to use up all the cabbage heads that I can't eat because of an overabundance or if they are split. And if you'd like to learn other ways to preserve your harvest for the winter, go ahead and get our Preserving Fruits and Vegetables ebook. We have listed the best ways to preserve over 25 different vegetables in this guide, and you're going to learn which vegetables do best in which preservation method. So should you dehydrate it, should you can it, should you freeze it, should you throw it in the root cellar? Which vegetable do you do which way? So if you do it wrong, the vegetables may not hold up through the winter, or it may taste really bad. And you can get the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide ebook for free when you sponsor this show. We give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Homemade and Organic Pest Control ebook. And this is for anyone who will sponsor the show at the $8.25 level. The money we raise from the sponsorship goes to keeping this show free to everyone around the world, and I feel that everyone should have access to learning how to grow food for themselves and their families. And by sponsoring the show, you are part of keeping this education free and feeding people around the world. And if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and how to successfully preserve your harvest, go to our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there you're going to find more articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you along your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.